Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Binance wallet to Easypaisa. This guide will walk you through the process of funding your Binance account using Easypaisa, a popular mobile wallet. We'll focus on using Binance's peer-to-peer, or P2P, trading platform, which allows for direct and secure transactions between users. By the end, you'll confidently buy cryptocurrency with Easypaisa. To begin, open your Binance app and log into your account. From the home screen, find and tap on the P2P trading option. Next, select Buy and choose USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to acquire. It's important to then set your local currency to PKR and filter the payment methods to display only Easypaisa options. This ensures you see relevant sellers. Once you've filtered your options, carefully select a seller. Look for those with a high completion rate, ideally 95% or more, and positive feedback to ensure a smooth transaction. After choosing a seller, enter the specific amount of USD you wish to buy and proceed to place your order. You will then receive the seller's Easypaisa account details. Open your Easypaisa app and transfer the exact amount of PKR to their provided account. After successfully transferring the funds via Easypaisa, return to the Binance app. Tap the Transferred, Notify Seller button and upload a screenshot of your payment as proof. The seller will then verify the payment on their end. Once confirmed, they will release the USD directly into your Binance wallet. You'll receive a notification when the transaction is complete. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.